Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out something by Soho Floral Arts, who specializes in all kinds of colors and quantities of eternal roses, real roses, that last more than a year. And today we're going to specifically focus on a box of 9 red roses, a perfect Mother's Day gift. This box of beautiful red roses has about 170 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Outstanding. And bear in mind that these are real roses. They're direct from a farm in Ecuador, which they're preserved using a non-toxic process, giving the roses years of beauty. No maintenance is needed, no watering, no need for sunlight, and easy care for years of enjoyment. Long-lasting, 2 to 3 years. It's a great gift, elegantly presented and beautifully wrapped, ready for easy gifting. And these are extra large premium roses, and they're also arranged elegantly in a nice chic box. And don't forget that you can choose your rose color and box size. You can go with pink, radiant pink, red, or white, and 9 packs or 16 packs. These are perfect for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, etc. It's a special gift that will always be appreciated. In the process of preserving these roses, the natural rose scent does fade. So if you desire a fragrance, you can add your own essential oils or scents to the base of the flowers. Now let me share with you a fantastic review from a verified purchaser. I always loved having flowers on display in my home. I just hate how they don't last forever. Behold these flowers. With proper care, the flowers can last from 1 to 3 years. All you need to do is just keep them in the box and don't touch or water them. As you can see, the packaging is beautiful and the flowers are a very vibrant and bright pink color. These will be perfect for realtors, for open houses, since you don't have to worry about changing the flowers every week. They also make the perfect gift. So there you go, check out Soho Floral Arts and get your eternal roses today. You can get them with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. Very nice. I think you're gonna love them.